Now let's continue the next one, that is question number 11. The figure, according to the statement, the figure is given in the NCERT textbook also. Okay children. So see where the figure is mentioned in the question along with the statement. If the figure is given, then no marks is allotted for the figure. Okay? And if only statement is given and you are drafting the figure, then the marks are allotted for that. Remember it. Okay? Now see, the figure is also given in question number 11. Here given AB is a tower. I mentioned here AB height of tower, which we have to find, which I assumed as a h meter children. Right? And there are the 2 points of the observation. Okay, see, I have shown the arrow here. That means this is the line of sight. That means one observer is at the point C. Right? This is the observer at the point C. Right? So from the point C, he observed the top of the tower and gets an elevation of 60 degree. But of course logically, if you see children, this point C, observer point C, is very close to the tower. So definitely if he observes something at the top of the tower, that is at the point A, definitely it will be blurred. That means he will not be able to see this point properly. Right? Then what he will do? He will go still away from the point C to, suppose, now he positioned at the point D, away from the tower. This is very close to the tower. Point C is very close to the tower. And of course this is the canal children. Right? Point C is the bank of the canal. Right? So just he is on the bank of the canal and he trying to observing something at the top of the tower. But he is unable to see the proper picture. Okay, so he moved away from the point C, from the bank of the canal. And he comes to the point D. Then he again observed the top of the tower. Now he is clearly to see the top of the tower, when he makes an elevation of 30 degree. So now observer is satisfied to see the position of the top of the tower. Right? So we have to find the children height of the tower, that is h, and the width of the canal, that is BC. I mentioned everything. AB is the height of the tower which we have to find. We have to find the BC, that is the width of the canal, that is which I assumed as a x meter, and two angle of elevation, one is 60 degree and one is 30 degrees. So same work is there. So many questions I did before it, and I made the video for so many questions. So working is same. And of course one more important thing is children, ki here whatever number of questions we covered up till the 11, 2 questions I left for your practice. Okay. Till now, till 11, only we worked for the angle of the elevation children. What is the angle of elevation? When we observe from bottom to top. Right? So it will elevate. After this we study the angle of depression. When we observe from top to bottom, building to ground. And sometimes we get the angle of depression and the angle of elevation both together. In next question we will do, in NCERT only. Okay children? So till we worked only on the angle of elevation. Now let's, without wasting the time, just let's start it. See, first we take in triangle ABC, right children? In triangle ABC, right? What is the elevation children? Of course here also you will take the tan ratio only, because opposite and adjacent sides are correlated. Adjacent side value is given, opposite side you have to find out. So you have to correlate the opposite side and adjacent side. and tan is a ratio which define opposite and adjacent, so definitely we take the tan only, right children? So now tan of 60, opposite is what children here, AB, okay, and what is the adjacent children here, BC. Now what is the value for tan 60? So many times we used this value children. Tan 60 is what, root 3, so we will write root 3. BC we assumed as a H, and AB we assumed as a X and BC as a X, right? So what do we get children here? Cross into, you do the cross into, so what do we get? H equal to root 3x, right children? So this is the equation number 1. Clear? H equal to root 3x. Now second triangle is DBA, so now you will take in triangle DBA children, and of course this is also board question. 2 here I mentioned 12 and 13, and before this and after this also this question has been already asked. So DBA, now you will take the ratio of what children? Tan of 30 degree. What is the tan of 30 degree? Opposite, that is AB, upon adjacent. Adjacent is what? BD. So we will write here complete side BD. Tan 60 children, 1 upon root 3. Before this also we discussed. AB is H children, and BD is in 2 part, that is X plus 20 children, right? Now do the cross multiplication, so what you will get children? Root 3h equal to x plus 20 children. Therefore root 3 of h, see h value we got in equation 1, it is root 3x only, okay children, equal to x plus 20. You will put the region from where we got this value, from 1, right? So root 3 of root 3 you will get 3x, transpose x minus x equal to 20 children. 3x minus 1x you will get 2x equal to 20 children. Therefore x equal to 20 upon 10, 20 upon 2, that is 2 anja, 2 10ja, that is 10 children. So we got here exact value for the x is 10 meter. This is the width of the canal children, right? So what will be the BD? Therefore BD equal to what children? X plus 20, BD is what? X we got here 10, the width of canal is 10. Now we want the H children, not BD, okay? So we put the value in H, equation number 1. So put x equal to 10 in equation 1 children. What is the 1? Gives the direct value for the h, which is root 3x, that is root 3 of 10 children, that is 10 root 3 meter children, okay? And you will mention both the answer separately children. This is okay. Now what is the answer number 1? You can mention this only. Height of tower is 10 root 3 meter, and second is width of canal. What is the width of canal children here? 10 meter. So both the answer we have completed children. Okay, so I hope the concept is clear to you, because everything is given in the figure is given in NCERT. Simply we select, first we have selected right triangle ABC, we applied tan 60. Tan 60, what is the value for tan 60? Root 3, so we got h equal to root 3x. Then second ABD, tan of 30, 1 by root 3, opposite is h, adjacent is x plus 20. We got cross multiplication, root 3h equal to x plus 20. H value we already got in equation root 3x. So put h as a root 3x, root 3 we will get 3x. minus x equal to 20, so x we got 10. Now put this x value in equation 1, so our h will be clear. That is the height of the tower is 10√3 meter, and this width of the canal is what? Height of tower is 10√3 meter and the width of the canal is 10 meter. Okay children, thank you.